Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am doing a get ready with me. I feel like I haven't done a get ready with me in a moment, but I'm going on holiday tomorrow and I am so excited. So I wanted to know, okay Claudia, what are you going to do with your natural hair? Because you know your protective styling, how does that go? Are you going to wear a wig on holiday or wigs, or are you going to pull your hair out and spritz and pull apart and coil and curl while you're away in the sun? Or why not do something you've always wanted to do, and this is the perfect time to do it, to show you another protective style other than a wig. Why not? The perfect time to show you how I'm going to crochet my hair using the free tress braid in TP 430, and this is TP 430 as well. It's the deep twist 22 inches, and I'm doing these two packs. And you might say, Claudia, are you sure that's going to be enough hair, because it's super long? You know, and these are the only two that I have. And so how am I going to make this work? I am going to cut this in half. If it's 22 inches, it's going to be 11 inches. And I may just keep one part the same going towards the back and then put put a longer part in the front. I will think of a way to do it so that I get a shape that's like the diva curl shape. We'll see. And I'm so excited to try this. I was looking at Miss Naturally Mary. Miss Naturally Mary. So thank you so much, Miss Naturally Mary. I looked at her channel and she was doing no cornrow, no braiding crochet style. I am not, as you can tell from this look, I am not a cornrow person. My sisters can cornrow with the best of them, but me, I'm twisting, I'm flat twisting, trying to make it work. So when I saw Miss Naturally Mary do her thing, I said, I can do it, I can do it. So I'm going to be quiet and let you watch me do it. I've got the latch hooks in threes. I may have four of them, but that's how much I've been doing crochet. So let's get to this, because I need to get some sleep and pack tonight to be ready to go. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my hair with the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream moisturized throughout my hair. No water, just fully moisturized hair. Now, I had to do that off camera because that was taking a minute. I am going to use this wide tooth comb, this comb to part it, this rat tail comb to part my side part, and I'm going to detangle with my Denman brush. I will do a side part and take it from there. Whoops. After I detangle my hair and put it in twists and put it back into a bun in the back on the nape of my neck, I will use my got-to-be glue and get my baby hairs laid. Starting at the bottom, detangling. Now, I'm going to take my Denman brush. This spray is the Got to Be glue spray. Hold it down. Now with this, I'm going to run it through one more time and lay it down. And I'm going to braid it. I'll do the other part off camera and I will be right back. This is how I have laid the hair down. There's my ball in the back. I gelled my sides, laid everything flat, and now I'm going to open this pack of hair. This is what it looks like. Three bundles, or three tiny little bundles like this, and there are three more in the other pack. So what I'm going to do is cut them in half and separate them, not to have the hair so dense on my head and to cover my head since I only have two. Take these apart. They come apart very easily. This is going to be challenging. And I'm going to take this apart even further. There we go. Keep it together. I haven't done this in a while. But it looks like I could probably take this apart even more. Make sure I knot that. There we go. And with this one, Grab it. If you're not certain about grabbing it, take it out. Put it through. Close it up. Pull it through. Pull it through again. Pull it through again. Close it. There we go. Grab it. Clamp it. Pull it through. Grab one side. Pull it through. And tie it off. There's one. I'm gonna go up, get some dinner, and I'll be right back. Hey loves, this is the look. I went to bed at 2 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, I would say it took about an hour to create this no-cornrow crochet look. I really like it. Next time I do this look, I probably will use the cap with the nets, with the netting in it to latch the crochet needle through and create it, and not use the braids that I had, the top braid, the side braids. I will just create one ponytail in the back and create it low, and then put on the cap, and that way I won't have to contend with the braids possibly being seen if the hair blows a certain way. One thing about this hair is it is slick and silky, so it tends to not really knot as easily and stay that way. But this is hair that I purchased, I would say in 2017, and just didn't use it until now. But I know they have gotten better. Hair producers have gotten better with creating these silky looks and having them stay, because now the crochet comes with a little loop on the end of a bundle of hair, so you can tie it in and then spread it out. So I will look into some of the newer crochet styles to see how well they secure. But this one, this is so silky that it will indeed come, it will unravel. Swing too hard, it'll be that way, you'll be that way. But that's okay. Let me see. Ooh-wee. Do I have this glow on? Ray, this was too much glow, girl, but I had to get it. It was glowing. I glow. I glow. I glow, 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 glow. Ray, I think I went overboard with the glow. So. I got my little mirror right there. Just trying to see how I can create some different looks. Maybe I'll make a little. Can you ever have too much glow? I don't know, but I doubt it. see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.